Hi guys, welcome to Ian's Product Focus. What we're going to focus on today is the EC Speed Controller. A really simple controller that everybody can use on an EC fan. So the EC Speed Controller is simply what it says on the tin. You have two outlets, one for your intake, one for your outtake, and what it will allow you to do is set your maximum fan speed of both intake and outtake. Only works on EC fans, especially the gas EC fans, because the cables click together. So I would use this if I'm running a big fan on my outtake and I'm creating positive pressure with my intake. All I would do is turn my intake down or my outtake up, and that will create negative pressure. Very simple controller, comes with the leads inside, plug and play. It's really simple. You use controllers when you're trying to control your fan speed and you're always trying to create negative pressure. That means you want more air going out of the room than what's coming in, because if you have more air coming in than going out, you're going to create positive pressure. That's going to balloon your room up and force all that odour under the doors, through the gaps and out of the room. If you're creating negative pressure, everything's got to go through your fan and filter and away, getting rid of that odour, getting rid of that heat, and it makes it really easy when you're using a dimmer. You've got to manually set it. It's not thermostatic, so you just set it manually. If you have to go in and adjust it, you can just walk in and adjust it. It works on all the System Air gas EC fans. Why would you pick an EC Speed Controller? Literally, it's based on cost. If you don't want a thermostatic fan controller and you just want a dimmer, this is the fan controller for you. Really easy, really cheap to use. Plug and play, it's that easy. When you're looking at controllers, there's many different brands out on the market at the moment, but we obviously prefer the gas controller range. It's been tested, it's absolutely bulletproof. We do a lot of research when we're setting up the fans, setting up the controllers to make sure that the controller that we sell fits the fans perfectly and work for what it needs to be done. So that's why I like gas controllers. They're tested, they work really well, and they're absolutely bulletproof. So thanks for listening guys, that's the EC Speed Controller. If you want any more information on this little controller, just jump on the website. Cheers guys.